Hi, Martin's here. In this video, we'll see how to use signature pads in IDpack in the cloud. So first, we create a new project. Type a name. Choose template. Since I want a signature panel, I'll check in the filter signature panel. Now I have all the templates with signatures. I'll choose this one. Click Save Project. So I have my preview cards with the signature. I'll move to Active to start printing cards. Open in Producer. From here, I'm ready to create my first record. So I'll type my name. And here we have our signature capture space. So I'll use my signature pad. Start Martin L. When I'm done, click OK. So the signature is locked. Let's save the card. All right, so I have my cards, my signature. I'm ready to print this card. Click on Print Preview. And there you go. I have my backstage pass, my name, and with my signature and a barcode. So this is how you use signature pads in IDpack in the cloud. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.